Hey guys, I'm Shivani. Welcome to the monthly fashion roundup at Myntra. Let's take a quick look at what's trending. First up, we have this nice summery coat set from Marks & Spencer. It's a great casual look, very summery, very boho chic, but at the same time the color is also very much in trend. A lot of Bollywood celebrities are wearing this typical aspen yellow color. Next up, we have this bright, bold slip top. People usually think that this is a great top to wear for parties or more of a wild night out. But right now we're doing something a little bit different and pairing it with a nice pair of joggers to give it more of a athleisure look. But if you want to go for something a little less bright, to be on the safer side, you can go for a more mild color like this. It's a nice champagne, slightly glittery slip top with also like a nice tie-up option as well. Also, if you want to make it a little bit more safer, you want to be a bit more comfortable, then there is this nice hoodie that you can wear on top of it as well. And next up, we have this nice paisley dress from Mango. It's a very boho, very casual dress with a drop waist and a peplum style dress. It's great for a brunch look, but also for a night out as well, given that it's a black color. I think it would be perfect to wear for brunch or when you want to eat out because it has a lot of room and space. So it's great for binge eating. And next we have something a little bit different. We have an accessory here. This is a crochet bag, and we've finally moved on from basket weave bags to a different fabric or style, which is your crochet bag. This particular one is from Forever 21, and some of them also come with wooden top handles, so you should check that out as well. And moving on, we have this corduroy pinafore dress. Typically you see this fabric in trousers, but this is something that's new and it's a great look for a dress. And to pair it with this, you could go for a bright neon turtleneck. It's a great option to wear inside this, given that this is in a very muted color and this is a bright one. So it works really well. Also, another option with the corduroy dress is to layer on top and not just on the inside with the neon top. So you could just add a jacket on top to make it a more comfortable look. Next up, we have something that can make or break your look, a pair of shoes. First up, we have this bright red square toe heels. When you want to wear heels but you still want to be comfortable, then this is a great option for you. Also a big trend right now. And next up, we have this vinyl or PVC heels. Given that it's transparent black and white, it's a great look for day to night and literally goes with every outfit. Okay guys, we've come to the end of this month's fashion roundup. Keep watching this space for more fun stuff.
Hello guys, I'm Anuja and I'm a fashion stylist at Myntra. This is our monthly fashion roundup. My personal style is not quite defined as of yet, but I do like my clothes to tell a story of their own. I enjoy playing with proportions and silhouettes, and I do love myself a good vintage piece. Now let's take a look at some of the pieces that were trending this month. First up is this floral button-down midi dress with a belted waist that accentuates your midriff. You can pair it up with a light duster jacket for the transitional weather. Our next pick is my personal favorite. It is this black mini skirt with an asymmetric hem and this very interesting button detail. You can pair it with this crisp white shirt for a preppy look. The next pick is this rust colored wide leg pants. You can team it up with this sleeveless knit long line top. And these are two very interesting colors to wear together and complete this look with a cute scarf and some statement earrings. Our next pick is this maroon colored shift dress with these really cool puff sleeves, and you can complete this look with the fishnet stockings and a really cool pair of boots. Here's my last pick. It's this casual neon tank top which you can pair up with this really nice high-waisted denim, and to complete this look, Here is a really cool animal print bag. So that's all guys for this month's fashion roundup. Keep checking out this space for more fashion updates.
For more fashion tips, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.